Today, I'm excited to share an incredible opportunity for you to earn real money by simply watching YouTube Shorts videos. Follow these straightforward steps and you'll be on your way to making some extra cash. Hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. Step 1. Head over to the most popular video sharing platform, youtube.com, and navigate to the Shorts tab. There, you'll discover a bunch of engaging videos waiting for your attention. Step 2. Click on any video that catches your interest and watch a minimum of 15 seconds of it. It's that simple. Step 3. Boom, you start making money. Now let me break down the potential earnings for you. When you watch just one YouTube Shorts video, you could pocket up to $20. Imagine watching 10 videos and earning a whopping $200. Take it a step further by watching 50 videos and you can rake in up to $1,000 in a single day. The best part? You can repeat this process as many times as you want, making it a legitimate and worldwide method to earn money. All you need is a mobile phone or computer. To give you a sneak peek, I'll guide you through examples of videos you can start watching right now to kickstart your earning journey. Don't worry, because I'll walk you through the detailed steps on how to consistently earn over $20 for every YouTube Shorts video you watch. The process to earn $20 for each YouTube Shorts video involves two simple steps. First, I'll reveal the leading platform that pays folks to watch these videos. Then, step number 2 is all about getting others to watch these videos and earn on your behalf. It's crucial to follow along every step without skipping anything, so you grasp the full picture and maximize your potential earnings. Stick with me through this, and you'll soon know exactly how to make the most out of watching YouTube Shorts. All right, let's dive into the strategy. The first step is to search for Shorts on YouTube. That search will lead you straight to the YouTube Shorts shelf. Here you'll find loads of videos with massive views: 12 million, 43 million, 96 million, even 259 million views. Now picture this. What if you could earn $20 for each of those views? Just imagine the amount of money coming your way. I'll guide you through how to make the most of those views and start earning money. Stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how to seize this opportunity. We can scroll down and see that these shorts are going insanely viral right now. It's the perfect moment to jump in. The best niche I've discovered, especially for beginners like you, is Shorts plus Minecraft. Search for Shorts plus Minecraft and check out these videos. They aren't even original. They're just uploaded from other platforms or people recording themselves playing games. One has 187 million views, another has 18 million views. There are millions upon millions of views for every single video on this first page. It's an untapped niche with little to no competition, making it a great opportunity, especially if you're just starting out. All right, this indicates that this niche is highly profitable and not yet saturated. Here's the plan. We don't have to watch the videos ourselves. Instead, we'll get others to watch them for us. I'll guide you through exactly how to earn from these 24 million views. First, we'll click on this channel, which will take us to their videos. Then, we'll click on the Shorts tab and select Most Popular. This will display their most viral YouTube Shorts videos, which are our ticket to making the most money possible. Then, we'll take that share link, the one that can make money, and copy it. After copying the link, we'll transform it into a money link. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through step by step. When someone clicks that link to watch the video, we're going to get paid. I'll show you where online there are people who'd love to watch these videos. I mean, look at the 30 million views. That's how many people wanted to see it. Now here's the deal. I'll take you to a special site. But before that, let's check out the potential earnings in different countries. In Greenland, you could earn $20. In Iceland, $13, in the United States, $12, and in the United Kingdom, $10 for every 1,000 views. It's like that for many countries. For instance, in Germany, it's $7. There's a whole list of countries and their earnings. If your country isn't listed, you'd likely make $3.50 for every 1,000 views, which can still add up, especially if a video racks up 30 million views. I'll guide you through the steps. First, head on over to Shrink Earn. What we're doing is taking our link, pasting it there, and shortening it. Then we'll spread it in places where folks are likely to click and watch, especially if they're into Minecraft. It's crucial to share the link where people are genuinely interested, right? Let me show you exactly how it's done. Once we log in, we'll hit New Shorten Link, paste our link there, and click Shorten. That action creates a money link for us. Every click and watch through this link could earn us up to $20. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through each step to make sure it's done right. All right, let's get that link and head over to 2 specific websites where you can attract anywhere from 1,000 to even 1,000,000 people to click and watch. The first stop is the Minecraft forum. This place is gold for finding people keen on watching Minecraft videos. In one specific forum alone, there are 965,000 active members posting under suggestions. You can join in, drop your link, and say, "Hey, check out this new viral Minecraft strategy." That link might attract clicks from up to 1,000,000 people each month on this site. It's a prime spot to get the right audience interested in what you're sharing. I'll walk you through how to do this step by step to make sure you get the most out of it. By posting your links in this forum, you can reach up to 1,000,000 people. This particular place is just one spot. Some forums have a whopping 3.4 million posts. Imagine that's a massive crowd engaging with these threads. Others have around 2.9 million posts. You can scroll through these discussions and drop your link in each one of these threads. It's a vast audience ready to engage, and by pasting your link there, putting it in front of a ton of potential viewers. I'll guide you through this process to ensure you make the most of these forums and reach as many people as possible. That is the very first site, and the second site's even better. It's called Facebook. Here's what you do. Head to Facebook, search for Minecraft, and click on Groups. Make sure to toggle it to Public Groups. Now, look at these groups. Each one has a different number of members. 880,000, 13,000, 108,000 members, all folks keen on Minecraft and Minecraft tutorials. You can join these groups and share your link. Post something like, "Hey, check out this new viral Minecraft strategy I discovered," with your link attached. When people click and watch, you start earning. It's a fantastic way to reach a vast audience interested in what you're sharing. All right, this strategy is already fantastic, but here's an additional one for you. Since there are many people who enjoy Minecraft and would like to earn by sharing videos, you can go back to Shrink Earn and click on Referrals. Whenever you refer someone to this site to do what you just did, teaching them how to earn by sharing videos, they can start earning. Here's the exciting part. You earn 20% of their lifetime earnings. So if they share Minecraft videos with those special money links and earn $1,000, you get $200. If they earn $10,000, you earn $2,000. It's a great way to boost your earnings by helping others get started with this method. You've got the chance to share your referral link and get others involved in making money using the same method. Here's another way for you to master this technique. Head to Facebook again and search for Make Money Online Groups. You'll find public groups with people interested in this, like one with around 167,000 members. These folks want to learn exactly what I just showed you. You can share this video along with your referral link to Shrink Earn, and they'll head to the platform. Then, you start earning 20% of whatever they make. It's a solid way to start making a few hundred or even a few $1,000s online. However, it's important to note that this won't make you rich, okay? It's a good way to earn some extra cash, but it's not a ticket to extreme wealth. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive even deeper into more money-making online contents. Got questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys.